I got groundnut oil, Kings. I also got pepper. This fresh pepper I got. I have my list here. Long list.
Welcome to my channel. No rude Jennifer, real life moments. Nothing filtered, mom life story, love and laughter. Everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you.
Because I have 7% left. I'm not even going to vlog. I might not vlog. Let me not promise. So I'm going to unbox everything I bought here. So I'm collecting cash. Let me just show you guys.
No rude Jennifer. Always keeping it real, Jennifer. Always keeping it real.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So guys, I came back I think 1 hour ago. Yeah, because I came back around, is it up to I'm not sure it's up to 1 hour though. So I immediately came back. I cleaned my red fridge and the black freezer. And then I washed the meat. I didn't get the meat from Oko Market. My husband's family friend who got it from him. So I just finished freshening up. I just finished bathing. I'm heading to the store, from the store to the church. So I want to quickly do unbox with you guys. Unbox everything I got from the market, just like I promised in the other video. So I'm going to show you guys everything I got today. Okay, so let's go. So guys, these are, I know you cannot see the bags. Well, let me show you. Okay, so these are all the stuffs that I got from the market. Yep. So quick unboxing. So I got tomatoes. This I bought 3 rubber. Got 3 rubber. This is another one. This another one. Red oil is leaking, so I got red oil. This is Nsuka red oil. So even if you keep this red oil, I buy from her. I think I started buying from her last year. See, even if you keep this red oil for 2 months, even if the oil gets finished, this down is still sweet. Like, so I got 4 red oil. That is 4 liters. So I got red oil is actually cheaper now. So I got groundnut oil, Kings. This should be 1 liter or so. So I also got pepper. This fresh pepper I got, and this is that long shumbo. Don't know the English. I got onions. This onions I got it for 3,000 naira. I got 2 tubers of yam. I did not buy much. Don't want it to spoil. Then this is crayfish. This is blended egusi. I got it and I blended it there. For a very long time, I stopped blending egusi in the market. So no time. I have to blend it because once I come back or tomorrow, I'll cook. The girl did not have change. The girl I got red oil from did not have change, so I got extra salt. Though I have salt too. Then these are spices. These are spices. And I think I have a lot of things here. Okay, I'm making oha soup, my husband's favorite. So I got oha, okazi. I got this one, ogiri. Okay, this is cocoyam, and this is pankane, banga. So let's unbox this last one. This is hey, I'm actually rushing to go to the shop. There's no one there. This is stockfish. Stockfish. I got sachet tomatoes. We still have some. I also got this one too. This one itself is still remaining. I just got few because I don't use it all the time. I use more of fresh tomatoes now. I wanted to get bunch of plantain, but make it no waste for my hand. I got this. I got veggies. These are veggies. I'll cut it and put in the freezer. I got potato and beans. This is one pinch of beans. So this is all I got today. Once I will enter bag, let me put it in the bag.
Welcome to my channel. No rude Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered, mom life stories, love and laughter, everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know rude Jennifer, always keeping it real. No rude Jennifer. No rude Jennifer.
So guys, that's all I got from the market today, and that will be all for now. So I'll be heading to the store now. I've not actually eaten since morning, but I've been drinking water. No, I ate. I think I ate I boiled plantain for them with yam, so I took like 2 pieces inside. So that's all. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, bye.